Good morning and Jai Hind children. Welcome in today's class. Children, today we will continue the same lesson. Lesson number 7, animals living and surviving. And all different types of animals live in different habitat. And what is habitat? Habitat is a place which suits an animal to live. Okay, children, different types of habitats are terrestrial habitat, aquatic habitat, aerial habitat, arboreal habitat. I have told you in detail all about these. Now, children, today I will show you the specimen of some animals who live in these different habitat. Just a minute. I am going to show you this one. What is this? This is the specimen of frog. You can see what is this? This is the specimen of frog. And frog, in which type of habitat it lives? It is called amphibian. What it is called? Amphibian. What is the meaning of amphibian, dear? Amphibian means animals who live both on land and water. Those who can live on both land and water. You can see, children, it has a very strong back leg. इसका जो पीछे वाला leg देख रहे हो आप कितना strong है ना? This is. It uses its back leg to jump on land. जब ये land पे रहता है तो इस back leg के help से jump करता है. And it has a webbed front leg. ये देखो सामने वाला जो front है ये webbed है. It help it to swim in water. और जब ये water में रहता है तो ये इसका जो front वाला है webbed feet है ये इसको swim करने में मदद करता है. And it has lungs. When it lives on lungs, it takes breathe through lung. And when it lives in water, it breathe through skins, holes present in the skin. Now I am going to show you. This is the fish. What is this? Fish. And what is the habitat of fish? It lives in water. Water is the habitat of fish, and it is called aquatic animals. Why it is called aquatic animals? It lives in water. And what are the adaptations present that it can live on in water? It has gills. इसके यहाँ पे साइड में जो देख रहे हो बेटा, यहाँ पे gills होता है. ये कवरिंग होते हैं इसके स्किन की कवरिंग से वो गिल दिख नहीं रहा है. Inside it gills. With the help of gills, it can breathe the dissolved oxygen present in the water. And it has a fins. और क्या होता है? It has a fins. With the help of fins, it can swim in water. And another type of animals are aerial animals. This is the pigeon. It is an aerial animal. And the habitat of aerial animal is sky. It lives in sky. It has feathers. क्या इसके adaptations है? The body is covered with feather. It has a wings to fly, and its bones are hollow, light and less in number, and they are hollow, filled with air, so it can survive in air. Thus, we come to know that different types of animals lives in different types of habitat, and according to their habitat, they have different adaptation, different features which help them to live in that particular habitat. Let's read the another topic of the lesson. Children, I am going to share the PDF of the lesson. Yes, this is the book exercise. We have already done take the correct option. Here we will do match the column. Here in the B column there is the name of the animals and these are the characters, special characters. Webbed feet. Who has webbed feet? Webbed feet किसकी होती है बेटा? Eagle, turtle, porcupine, frog, mosquito. I have kept one solved for you. Okay. Yes. Who has webbed feet? वेब्ड फीट किसकी होती है? फ्रॉग। वेब्ड फीट किसकी होती है बेटा? फ्रॉग की होती है। हु हैज वेब्ड फीट? फ्रॉग। देन यू विल मैच frog with webbed feet. It helps them to swim in water. And tube-like mouth किसका होता है? Who has a tube-like mouth? Here you will write I want to show you the another exercise. Yes. ट्यूब लाइक माउथ। ट्यूब लाइक माउथ किसका होता है बेटा? ट्यूब लाइक माउथ होता है मॉस्किटो का। किसका होता है? मॉस्किटो हैज अ ट्यूब लाइक माउथ टू सक द नेक्टर। एंड हुक्ड बीक किसका होता है? हुक्ड बीक, यू विल मैच हुक्ड बीक विथ ईगल। विथ ईगल, ओके? यस। एंड फ्लीपर्स, फ्लीपर्स किसका होता है? Who has flippers? Turtle. Turtle has flippers to swim in waters. Okay? And who has spines? Porcupine. You will match spines with porcupine. Again, let's start. फिर से रिवाइज करते हैं. Webbed feet, number 1, frog. 1 you will match with D. Tube-like mouth, mosquito. Hooked beak, eagle. Hooked beak, eagle, flippers, turtle, and spines are present on porcupine. Okay? Let me show you the another book pages. Yes. Identify these animals, right? And you have to identify they are terrestrial, arboreal, aerial, amphibian or aquatic. What are terrestrial beta? Animals who live on land are called terrestrial. And what are arboreal? Animals who live on trees. Arboreal. And aerial who lives in sky. Amphibian who lives on both land and water, and aquatic who lives in water only. Okay, let's do. The name of the animal is frog, and frog is amphibian. Frog is amphibian. It means it lives both land and water. And this is eagle, and eagle is aerial. It lives in sky. And wolf, wolf is the terrestrial, it lives on land. And monkey, monkey is arboreal animal. What is the meaning of arboreal? Arboreal means animals who lives on trees. And terrestrial, here you can see giraffe. This is the giraffe and this is the terrestrial animal. Come to the next exercise. Okay, here it is solved. I have made solve for you. Children, I will share this in PDF form. From there, you can write also. In the lesson, chapter number Animals Living and Surviving, you will find this PDF. Let's solve this time. You just understand. The place where an animal lives. उसको क्या कहते हैं? The place where an animal lives. It is called habitat. Habitat. It is called habitat. Animals that come to the next one. Animals that can fly. They are called aerial. A-E-R-I-A-L. Okay. These help a turtle to swim. Number 5. These help a turtle to swim. Turtle किसके help से swim करता है बेटा? It is flippers. F-L-I-P-P-E-R-S. It helps them to swim in water. An elephant uses this to reach branches to eat leaves. Elephant क्या use करता है खाने के लिए? It's use its trunk. क्या यूज करता है? ट्रंक, TRUNK। और टर्टल किससे स्विम करता है? फ्लिपर्स। फ्लिपर हेल्प्स द टर्टल टू स्विम। टर्टल वाटर में रहता है ना, इसको स्विम करने के लिए क्या मदद करता है? फ्लिपर्स। And the seasonal movement of bird for food and shelter is called migration. This is vertical. Number one, MIGRATION. It is called migration. And these help a fish to breathe. Which organ help? It has an adaptation, right? It lives in water. Which organ help them to breathe in water? Gills. GILLS. Children, I will share this in the video form in your Next app in e-content. From there, you can complete the work. Now, this is the notebook work. This is the give reason for the following. You have done or not? Then you can write from here also. I am giving it again in this chapter. You can write from here also. In our previous class we have done, or we will do it. Okay. Come to the next question answer. What is the meaning of term winter sleep? And what is the answer? This time you understand the answer. केवल आप अभी समझोगे कि what is being asked in this question and what you have to write. This time you will not write. You will write from the content which I will share in document form in the EduNext app. What is the meaning of term winter sleep? A long period of rest. Okay? A long period of rest by some animals such as frog and snakes in winter to bear extreme cold is known as winter sleep. कुछ एनिमल्स जैसे फ्रॉग और स्नेक क्या करते हैं कि विंटर के टाइम में छुप जाते हैं, एकदम जमीन के अंदर चले जाते हैं. यू कैन नॉट फाइंड देम. किस लिए? टू बियर देम फ्रॉम एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड. एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड से अपने को बचाने के लिए वो टेक रेस्ट करते हैं. And this is called winter sleep. Second question, how have herbivores adapted themselves to eat their food? Herbivores कैसे adopt करता है अपने को food खाने के लिए? Some herbivores such as cow, buffalo, zebras have sharp front teeth to bring on biting and cutting, and very strong back teeth for grinding the leaves and grass. These are the adaptations of herbivores. Okay? And the elephant have long trunk to pull the grass and leaves, and giraffe has a long neck to reach the leaves from the tall trees, and butterflies have a tube-like mouth to suck the nectar from the flower. These are the adaptations which herbivores have to eat their food. Okay? And the third question is, explain how carnivores have adapted themselves to eat their food. अब carnivores कैसे अपना खाना खाते हैं? Carnivores such as lion, tiger and wolves have very sharp and pointed teeth for catching their prey and tearing at its flesh. एलियन के पास क्या होता है? Sharp and pointed teeth होते हैं. Carnivore birds such as eagles and kites have sharp claws होता है and strong hooked beak होता है to tear the flesh of their prey. And many snakes are poisonous as their bites can kill the prey. They can open their mouth very wide to swallow the whole. पूरे एनिमल को पूरा वो घटक जाते हैं. कैसे? They can open their mouth very widely. और whole food को खा लेते हैं और ये swallowing कहलाता है ना. And the female mosquitoes have tube-like mouth to suck the blood. These are the adaptations for carnivores to eat their food. And how do deer and snail protect themselves? What are the adaptations present? Deer run away very fast to save themselves from lions and tigers, and snails have hard shell on their body. They hide themselves when any big animals come, any danger comes, they hide themselves. They go to their shells when faced any danger. Such they do the adaptation to their habitat. And how does a chameleon protect itself. It has very special character. Chameleon can change its body color. ये अपना body का color ही change कर लेता है. When it lives in plant leaves, it makes it green color. जब ये wall पे जाता है, grey color का हो जाता है. And the skin is also matches its surrounding, and it saves it from being seen by its enemies. और वो सेम कलर का हो जाता है, सेम टेक्सचर का हो जाता है, तो enemies will not be able to see them. This you can write in 2 pages, huh? And come to the another one. This you will write from the new page. Think and answer. A polar bear would survive in a grassland. क्या polar bear एक grassland में रह पाएगा? Think. No. क्यों? Why? A polar bear has a body features that are suited to live in cold polar region. क्यों ये सिर्फ polar region में रह सकता है? It has a thick layer of fat and fur to keep it warm. ग्रासलैंड में तो इतना हाई सन होता है, इतना वार्म रहेगा, इसका फर तो ये क्या सर्वाइव कर पाएगा? नो. A grassland on the other hand is hot where a polar bear cannot survive. ठीक है? It can survive in only in extreme cold region. इनके नीचे फैट का लेयर होता है और फर होती है, which help them to survive in winter place. A fish, next question is, a fish cannot live on land. Why? Think and answer. A fish cannot live on land because it has adopted to live in water. Land पे रहेगा तो उसको सांस लेने के लिए क्या चाहिए? Lungs चाहिए ना? It does not have lungs to breathe on land and it has a gills to breathe in water. इसके पास lungs नहीं होता तो ये land पे कैसे रहेगी? A fish does not have legs to move. और fish के पास move करने के लिए leg भी नहीं होता. हाँ? And it has fins to swim in water. और स्विम करने के लिए इसके पास फिन्स होती है, इसके एडॉप्टेशंस वाटर में रहने के लिए होते हैं. इट कैन नॉट लीव इन ऑन लैंड. ओके चिल्ड्रन, what we have learned today, we have done the book exercises. What we have done the some books exercises. I have shown you some specimen. And children, an animal camel have a special adaptation. मैं ये पढ़ा चुकी हूँ ना, उसका जो फीट होता है वो पैडेड फीट होता है, थ्रू विच इट कैन नॉट सिंक इन सैंड, जिसकी वजह से वो सैंड में अंदर को सिंक नहीं करता है. इट कैन मूव. स्कैंटी हेयर्स होते हैं एंड स्किन उसकी थिक होती है, विच हेल्प कैमल टू सर्वाइव इन डेजर्ट. It has a water bag inside. It can live without water for a long time. These are the special features which help the camel to survive in the desert place. And what we have learned, we have seen the different types of specimen, and we have done the book exercises, and you will write the question answer from this PDF. I will share in your Readonex app, in your notebook, and think and also and in our previous class what we have done, we have completed the give reason also. Okay children, then meet you soon in the next class. Bye bye children. And what is homework? You make a chart. आप एक चार्ट बनाओगे, उस पे you will paste the picture of one terrestrial animal, one arboreal animal, one aquatic animal. You have to make a chart of, or you have a scrapbook. You can paste these picture in your scrapbook also. One arboreal. How many things you will do there? Paste एक arboreal, aerial, amphibian, all habits के आप एक एक एग्जाम्पल लिखोगे and what special characters it has, और क्या इसका special character है. And you will take a click photograph उसको लोगे and share in your class group. Okay children, meet you soon in the next class. Bye bye dear. Okay, bye.